They said budget phones only come with quad-core processors. They were wrong. Presenting the new Zenfone Lite, the phone that brings a Snapdragon octa-core processor for all. We are talking faster gaming and smoother multitasking, with the best-in-category day-to-day experience at just Rs 5,999 only. This phone is sure to make you say, "What a performance!"
Here we have the newest entry-level beasts. The Umi Digera 3 and Umi Digera 3 Pro, two phones which will shake the grounds in the entry-level market. Umi Digera 3 Pro is a budget phone with a flagship design, packing a notch display and using the most advanced in-cell technology to ensure the best viewing experience. Materials are first class. It features a double-sided curved glass, which is pretty uncommon in affordable devices. A real dual camera setup is present as well. With a 12 plus 5 megapixels setup, you can make surprisingly good photos in most cases. Your face is the most secure password, that's why the Face Unlock. Stock Android 8.1 is fast and secure, and with endless possibility of customization. Travel the world thanks to the global LTE frequencies support. Dual 4G VoLTE, 2 SIM cards in 4G, plus innovative dedicated microSD tray. The processor is snappy enough to complete all tasks easily. Umi Digera 3 carries an advanced in-cell display in an 18:9 format, featuring a dual camera setup for great photos and an 8 megapixels front camera for good selfies. It is probably the cheapest phone to have premium double-sided glass, because we want to deliver quality experience for every pocket. Umi Digera 3 and Umi Digera 3 Pro, the budget beasts conceived for redefining the budget experience. Top quality materials, top quality real dual cameras, LTE global frequencies with VoLTE, never compromise again. Aim for the best, aim for Umi Digera smartphones.
Hi! Want to know more about the futuristic tech and latest gadgets? At Techtastic, we provide news, reviews and updates of the latest tech on the market, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel in the description below.